G'day there, Leigh here from MPG with EXP Australia. Hope you're having a fantastic week. A quick video today to unpack the article I wrote this week to keep you up to date with what's happening in the property market. More of an opinion piece, really. I deciphered a few articles that I read over the week and put it into this summary. Now, we can talk about, the price growth and what's happening there with prices across the capital cities and in regional areas. But I don't want to bore you with those details, so check out the blog at martinuzzi.com.au and you can have a read into some of those details. But really just an overall image of what's happening in Australia right now and the housing crisis that we're seeing. And Martinuzzi talks about this, and he's done some calculations and sums and found that we're in an approximate shortfall of about 62,000 homes annually here in Australia, which means there is a lot less supply than there is demand. And that's what's going to keep prices stabilised, if not continue to grow. And it really reflects around what this RBA cash rate is going to do. Again, you can check out those details in my blog at martinuzzi.com.au. I'll put that chart in there from Martinuzzi as well. Now, the RBA did cut that cash rate last week. Often we won't see an immediate reaction to the general market around that. Yes, we have, in our experience anyway, seen a little bit more demand come through email inquiries and open homes and things like that. But what we typically see historically when the cash rate adjusts, which is the first time it has done in a couple of years, historically we see the high income earner bracket, they seem to be a bit more active straight away, sooner rather than later. Now we are expecting to see another cash rate drop in April. I'm actually now convinced that there will be one in April as well, based on all the articles I've read. Now, if that happens, by then we'll probably start seeing a lot of those buyers that have been sitting on the fence start coming back into the market, and that'll push a little bit more competition into the market and a lot more activity. And likely with that competition, if there's still a shortfall of properties available to purchase, we'll see a push in prices climb a bit over the next couple of months. Now, usually again, once a cash rate declines, we do see more buyer activity, but seller confidence doesn't come back straight away either. So it might be a couple of months before a lot of the sellers go, okay, the market's good, this is an opportune time to sell, for those that have been maybe putting off selling, waiting for, seeing what the market's going to do moving forward. Again, interesting market. Look, I think it's quite a good market. I get this question pretty much every day, what the market's doing. Is it good? Is it slow? It's different, that's for sure. I think the market is great. We're still seeing prices at an all-time high. The prices haven't gone backwards or dropped. And if anything, we're going to see those prices climb, as I just discussed, with that demand coming back into the market and that shortfall of supply that we are seeing on the Sunshine Coast, but across Australia as well. So I think we'll see prices continue to climb a little bit slower. And look, the one thing that I noticed that is quite different right now, buyers are showing caution. They're not jumping over each other to buy just about anything. They want to make sure the property ticks all their requirements before they make offers. So that is, making the time on the market a little bit longer in some areas across the Sunshine Coast and across Australia as well. Again, guys, hope you're well. Check out my blog at martinuzzi.com. I actually wrote one on the weekend as well, which I thought was quite interesting. I'm a bit of a real estate nerd, as you can probably guess. But I wrote one about what buyers are currently searching for, what's coming up as their most important points when searching for a property. So you can check that out as well at martinuzzi.com.au. Have a great week ahead. And if there's anything at all we can help you with, reach out at MPG. We're here to help you live more fully, have more meaning, and find more joy on your next property journey. Have a great day.